Wow, I'm super excited because as it turns out, mortgage rates are finally dropping. In fact, it's hit an all-time low, at least for the last 40 days, of 4.99%. Now, 3 weeks ago, it was 5.30%. And 2 weeks before that, it was 6.25%. And so to know that we've got something down to a 4.99, extremely exciting for all of our buyer clients. So have you been waiting? Have you been holding? Hey, the market is back to what we'll call normal. Not that there really is a normal, but I love that right now, prices have dropped, sellers have become more negotiable. I mean, we're even getting closing costs on several deals. Now rates have dropped back down to normal. Do not wait. This is the time. You guys better buy and buy quickly. And in fact, when you're ready to buy, make sure you contact me, Erica Page, and Tami Goodwin. We are the co-CEOs of the Luxury Living International team at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. And we have some special things for our buyers that nobody else is doing, including our 24-month Love It or Leave It Buyback Guarantee, home warranties, cancellation guarantees. We run the gamut of what you need. Okay, you can always reach us directly at 855-404-SOLD. That's 7653. Or you can call our other office number, 855-505-YOU-WIN. That's the letter U, W-I-N. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. We're calling you to action right now. This is an amazing time to buy.